Let's see if we can get down here. Oh, look at this, my first little flatty. Oh, he just got off. Oh, he was only a little fella. Only a little fella. Gee, I was about to swap this out too because the bloody blowies had chewed off the tail, so. But I'll get him back out there, see if I can get another little flatty. Oh, what have we here? A little shitty. A little trumpeter. Foul hooked, you poor little bugger. Little trumpeter. You can go back, little dude. And he gone. I don't know if I like that blood in the water out here. These bloody bull sharks hanging around. I'll try this little fella while I'm in the deep. A little bit of a big diver. I reckon that's a nice colour. Nice little lure. I'll give him a crack, I reckon. Little Halco RMG. Put him on, I reckon. Neat little cove. Oh, back to fishing. Ping pong ball, eh? I wonder what games were happening on one of those boats with a ping pong ball, eh? All the pufferfish are trying to attack it. Oh, he's got a flatty. Bring him in this time. Oh no! Oh, I lost him. That was a good size one. Ah. Stuffed it up when I was getting off my rock there. A bloody blowy. These things so annoying. Oh, where's my pliers? My fixed pliers, you. 2 casts, 2 blowies. Damn. I'll have to change lures again. So we can go 3 casts, 3 blowies. That would be just amazing. What? Come on, where's the flatties? Haven't landed one yet. Might have to chuck on a vibe, I reckon. Oh, something hit that right in the shallow there. Oh, looks like a flatty. Yep, look at that. Come on, mate, come straight in. Straight in. Oh, nice little flatty. Nice little bar tail. Look at that. Beautiful little flatty. It's alright, mate. On the little Halco hard body. Hang on, mate, I'll let you go in a sec. Oh, there he goes. Come on, I just want to have a look at you first. Oh, he's gone. There he goes. A little Halco twisty. Yeah, boy. One on the board. Nice little flatty, little bar tail. Let's let him go. Gucci on the board.
That's it.
The little Halco twisty doing the damage. Woo! Nice size flatty. Oh, he's gone. Nice size flatty, that one. Yeah. Oh, I shouldn't have tried to lift him up. I should have taken him down there. Oh, another flatty. Good size. Good size. See? Gonna try and land him. Oh, try and land him up in these shallows.
He's on that rock.
Yeah. Cool. Nice size. Maybe they call them bar tails colour there. Yeah, now you can go berserk all you want. There you go. Working my way up through this nice little rocky, sandy, weedy patch right on the edge of that deep water there. So hopefully a few flatty are coming out of the deep there to have a little sunbake in this camouflaged area in the warmer water. Hopefully we can get another hookup shortly. We on, nice one. We on right as I turn that camera off. I hooked up. Pretty sure it's a flatty. Oh yeah, that's a flatty, alright. Oh, he's going off now. I think he's seen me. No! Oh, nice one. Look at the size of that. Beautiful flatty. See if I can bring him in and have a look at him over here. Whoa. Nice flatty. That's what we come for. Whoa. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Got a bit of fight in him. Come on, mate. Just want to have a look at you. You can be on your way. Just want to have a look at you. There we go. Nice fish. Beautiful little flatty. That's what we come for. Beautiful little flatties like that. Look at you. Hang on, mate. Hang on, mate. Oh. There he goes. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He gone. I didn't even see which way he went. Oh, we got to look at him. Little flatty again on the buckaroo. Let's see if we can get another one. You. Oh, got him. I watched that flatty stalking this. He come almost right up to my feet, and I was just jigging it because I ran out of reel. Woo! I ran out of line to keep winding him, so I just bobbed it up and down, and yeah, he smashed it right in front of my feet basically. Another nice big flatty. Beautiful flatty, look at that. What a lovely fish. Gee, he's a good size. Oh, he's gone now. Right at my feet he got it. Whoa, alright, turn that one off. He's not ready. See if I can land him up here. What a beautiful fish. Gee, I love catching these guys. Look at that. What a beautiful size. Beautiful colours. And to watch him just smash that grub right in front of me. Awesome. Bloody awesome. It's alright, mate, you're gonna get about it. Beautiful fish. Love these guys. Love these guys. It's alright, mate. I'll get you back, mate. I'll get you back. Just gotta watch those sharp hooks on them. Right behind their head there. So cool watching him hit that. Like, he was literally 2 meters from my feet, and I'm like, oh no, I don't want to pull my lure out now, I'm going to spook him because he's going to see me. So just give it a couple little more jigs. Every time, like, I done like one little jig and he'd come and pause, and then I'd jig again and he'd come, I'd jig again, he'd come, and then the last jig he just hit it. So yeah, really interesting watching the way they do that. Gives you a little inside information of when you're using these jigs, what gets their attention. In a beautiful little spot here, so Again on the buckaroo, I haven't had to change lures. Buckaroo getting the job done. But what a beautiful looking spot here. But yeah, he must have followed it in a fair while, right in the shallows. So we'll cast up there again in the shallows, just in there next to that edge, and try and see if we can get another one in. You! What good fun. Such a privilege to be able to catch those fish and release them without eating them, even though they're so expensive to buy from the shops at the moment. But way more joy out of letting beautiful fish like that go. Keeping the stocks in here healthy so more people can do this with their families and show the young kids how to do it. Hence why I do these videos. If I can teach someone a thing or two, or get them excited to go out and give it a crack, or if they're into it anyway, just having a watch while they're bored and get them all keen to go and have a fish, then it's all worth it. On again, baby. What do we got? Feels like a flatty. Oh, it's a flatty, all right. Woo! Oh, look at that. Another beautiful flatty. Yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Come up. Give us a look at ya. Come on. Oh, beautiful fish. Another beautiful sized flatty. Look at this. What a day for it. Oh, come on. Look at the colour of that. Hang on, mate. Alright, mate, we'll get you back. Love a solid flatty. Alright, come on. Come on. Beautiful fish. Look at that. What a nice size. Woo. Alright, you can go back. Gee, that's a good size. That's probably my biggest yet, I think, today. It's alright, mate. You're going back. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Another one on the buckaroo. Hey, get him up on the bank here. Mad dog. Get him up there before he gets away. Woo! Told you a good spot right there, eh?
Well, this literally was last minute. I just got this dunk, and I was like, oh. But then it kept going. I was like, oh, and I was only literally just shallow.
Yeah, you would have drew him in, bro. You have a nice little flatty. Right in the bottom. Big floody. Floody, baby. Yoo. Nice. Oh, he's gone. Lost him. Damn. That was a good sized floody. God damn it. Oh. We were on. We were on. And then I took my the tension off him while I was turning the GoPro on, and the bloody shook me off. So hopefully we'll see if he hits it again this time. Well, I think it's just about time to call it. Seems we've gone a bit quiet. Quite tired at the moment. Had more success that spot over there on low tide. So yeah. See what the gooch wants to do. He's still flicking around over there. Just come back. But that little session just over there now, I only just got the one lizard and lost him on the way in, so not too good odds, but we should get deep here.